From the precise calibration of ingredients to the high-speed automation of the molding lines, industrial gummy production is a perfect blend of chemistry and engineering. At this scale, consistency is everything. Every drop, every mold, and every second counts. Join us as we break down the complex flow of modern confectionery processing.
The highly viscous glucose syrup cascades into the mixing vat, a key ingredient in our production process. The system successfully reaches the critical sterilization temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. Brix analysis is critical for determining sugar content, ensuring quality control in the final product. These natural fruit extracts, vibrant in color, are the culmination of a meticulous process in a sterile environment. In this macro shot, the red and blue dyes begin their mesmerizing journey through the viscous sugar. This is the final master mix, a culmination of weeks of precise measurements, now being prepared for the bottling stage. Utilizing pharmaceutical-grade powder, the machines create flawless impressions, 24 hours a day.
Here we see the depositing nozzle at work. The liquid must achieve a perfect level within the starch, ensuring uniformity in the final product. The process begins as the warm, viscous liquid fills the stainless steel molds.
The demolder uses precise suction to lift the finished product, ensuring efficiency and minimizing waste. Here we see the fine white starch being collected by the industrial vacuum system for efficient recycling. A quick pass through the industrial sprayer applies the finishing coat, giving the candy its signature shine. The infrared sensors meticulously scan each gummy, identifying any deformed shapes to ensure consistent quality control. The macro lens captures the vibrant waterfall of candy as it enters the clean stainless steel funnel for packaging. From this state-of-the-art facility, these vehicles carry American industry forward, toward the horizon and beyond.
I'm proud of the work we do here.
It's a great environment, and the team feels like family.
How it's made. Gummy Edition.
Processing is more than just machines, it's the flow of new ideas. To see how the world is made, stay with the lab. Thanks for watching Flow Lab. See you in the next one.